8 minus 5 equals 3, and 8 minus 5 equals 3, and 3 times 3, which gives us 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the PEMDAS rules, we must do first the parentheses, then the exponents, the next step multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same for addition and subtraction. Okay, let's start our solution. In our problem, we have this subtraction and this multiplication. Also, we have these parentheses. By following the PEMDAS rules, first we must do this parentheses. After that, we do this multiplication. And finally, we do this subtraction. So, first this parentheses. We have 8 minus 5, which equals 3. Now, our problem became 8 minus 5 times 3. So, we must do this multiplication first. 5 times 3, which gives 15. Now, our problem became 8 minus 15, which gives us minus 7. And this is our final answer for this problem.